Teacher's bell. We're learning rings a bell.
Good day, everyone! Welcome to Science 3 Revised K-12 Curriculum, Quarter 3, Week 5, Day 2. How light makes us see things. Learning objective. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to demonstrate how light makes us see things. Activating prior knowledge. Look around. Can you point where is the window? Can you point where is the door? Now, close your eyes. Can you see anything? Eyes still closed. Can you see the window? How about the door? Today, we will learn why we can see things. We will discover what light does and how it helps our eyes. We will learn how light helps us see things. We will also learn what light does, how it travels, how it can scatter, bounce, and enter our eyes so we can see. Lesson Language Practice. Unlock difficulties in understanding the following terms and concepts. Review. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. This helps us see things around us. Travel. Travel. T-R-A-V-E-L. Travel. This is to move from one place to another. Scatter. Scatter. S-C-A-T-T-E-R. Scatter. The synonyms of scatter is spread out. It is when light spreads in different directions. Bounce. Bounce. B-O-U-N-C-E. Bounce. Synonyms is reflect. Reflect. When light hits an object and comes back. Enter. Enter. E-N-T-E-R. Enter. It is when light goes inside our eyes so we can see. Lesson Language Practice. Okay, light travels in a straight line. Repeat the sentence and use travel in the sentence. Example sentence is the flashlight. Light travels toward the wall. Another lesson language practice. Light can bounce off shiny objects like mirrors. Repeat the sentence, then use bounce in a sentence. Example sentence is light bounces on water. Light can scatter when it hits rough surfaces. Repeat the sentence and use it in a sentence. Example sentence is the sun's light scatters in the air. Next is light must enter our eyes so we can see. Okay, kids, repeat the sentence, then use enter in a sentence. Example sentence is light enters my eyes and I can see my book. Key idea. So light helps us see because it travels from a source, bounces or scatters from objects, and enters our eyes. Developing key idea, how light travels. So light travels in a straight line from the source. It could be from the artificial and natural sources like the sun, flashlight, or a bulb. We have here a mini demo. We have a flashlight and a straight cardboard tube. So here, learners will see that light moves in a straight path. Okay, are you ready? So step 1, shine the flashlight through the tube. Okay, when you turn on the flashlight and point it through the straight tube, the light passes directly through the tube without bending. So this shows that light travels in a straight line. Step 2. Move the tube or flashlight. If you move the tube slightly out of line with the flashlight, the light no longer reaches the other end. This proves that light needs a straight, clear path to travel through. B. How light bounces, or what we call reflection. When light hits smooth, shiny objects, it bounces back. So for our activity to demonstrate how light bounces, we have small flashlight, a mirror, and a white paper. For our activity, the procedure is 1. Place the mirror on a desk. 2. Shine the flashlight at the mirror. 3. Hold a sheet of white paper in front of the mirror. 4. Move the flashlight and observe how the light hits the mirror and bounces onto the paper. Now, perform the activity. So, what happened to the light when it hit the mirror? Yes, it bounced off the mirror. Where did the light go after bouncing? Yes, it went to the paper. What does this show about light? Light can bounce when it hits shiny surfaces. C. How light scatters. When light hits uneven or rough surfaces, it scatters or spreads out. D. How light enters the eyes. So 1. Light hits the object. Light from a source, it could be the sun, a bulb, or a flashlight, shines on the object. 2. Light bounces off the object and enters our eyes. The reflected light travels in a straight line and goes through our eye opening. 3. The brain helps us recognize the object. Our eyes send a message to the brain so we can understand what we are seeing. For this activity, how light helps us see? We will be needing 1 empty shoebox with lid. There will be a small hole on the side and on the top of the box. 2. A small object, that could be an eraser, a toy, or a coin. And a flashlight. Okay, are you ready? Okay, 1. Look through the side hole. Make sure that the top hole is covered. So place the small object inside the box. Close the lid. Look through the side hole. Can you see the object? Okay, 2. Shine a flashlight through the top hole. Now, the top hole will be uncovered and shine a flashlight through it. So still, keep looking through the side hole. Turn on the flashlight and shine it inside the top hole. Can you see now the object? So in this activity, we can conclude that without light, we cannot see the object. And with light, the object becomes visible because light enters our eyes. Generalization. 1. Light travels in a straight line. 2. Light bounces off smooth, shiny objects. 3. Light scatters when it hits rough surfaces. 4. We see things because light enters our eyes after bouncing or scattering from the objects. So we see objects because light travels from the source, bounces or scatters from the object, and enters our eyes. Evaluating learning. Are you ready? Okay. Type 1. Multiple choice. So direction. Choose the correct answer. 1. We can see an object because light blank our eyes. A. Hides from. B. Enters. C. Breaks. The answer is B. Enters. 2. Where does light come from? A. Pillows. B. Sources of light. C. Shadows. The answer is B. Sources of light. 3. When there is no light, we blank. A. See clearly. B. Cannot see anything. C. See more colors. The answer is yes, letter B. Cannot see anything. 4. Light travels in a blank line. A. Straight. B. Curved. C. Zigzag. The answer is A. Straight. 5. When you open a flashlight in a dark room, objects become visible because light blank them. A. Leaves. B. Ignores. C. Hits or bounces from. The answer is yes, letter C. Hits or bounces from. Type 2. Fill in the blanks. Direction. Fill in the blanks. So using the words light, eyes, see, enters, fill in the blanks. Okay, 6. We need blank to see things. The answer is yes, light. 7. Light blank the eyes. The answer is enters. 8. Our blank help us see. The answer is yes, eyes. 9. We blank objects when light reaches our eyes. The answer is C. Type 3. Sequence the steps. So direction. Write numbers 1 to 3 to show how we see objects. Okay? Light bounces or scatters off the object. Light enters the eyes. And a light source gives off light. Which one is number 1? Yes, A light source gives off light. Which is number 2? Yes, light bounces or scatters off the object. And 3 is light enters the eyes. Good job, kids! Good job!
Teacher's bell. We're learning rings a bell.